So let's just start with this dresser. As you can see behind the door, I've got an ironing board that I hadn't used, and just a little saying right there. So I won't go into the drawers. It's because it's just like way too much in the drawers. I just have like the colors separated out. So at the very top, the two blue suitcases, one has scraps, the other one has personal items. And in the vintage suitcase drawer set, I'm not sure what it would be considered, but it also has personal items. So that paper that you see, those are all manuals for everything that I own. It's an organized mess, trust me. And then in that container, or that bag that you see, it's a container of sand from when we went to Galveston. I am supposed to be working on a project for someone. And then I had gotten that doll. It's a Renewed doll. I'm not sure if she handmade it when I was scrapping before I stopped and came back. And then you move on down. So in here are cards, like in each drawer. I don't have many playing cards laying around, so the few that I had, I just put them in those drawers. Hand sanitizer, of course. All of these are tags. There's some kind of journaling. Here, vintage match boxes are here. And then those are clear acrylic pieces. I can't speak this morning for some reason. And then you go here, it's lace pieces in there. And then twine. And then as you can see here, just various items that I use, a sticker maker, some doilies. All of that in there is washi tape. And then I keep those cans when I want to do a project like that. So I keep those cans for that reason. Some lace back there. Like I said, I'm not gonna go. If I went through everything, this would take me all day. So I'm going to do a montage at the end of the video. I have like everything in here is like ticket related. So I mean, if it's tickets or anything remotely related, I just keep it in here. And I have them like organized by color, so on and so forth. And then, oh, dies here. And that's pretty much in that drawer. In this container, it's glue sticks. And I don't have anything in here. I did have like wood pieces, but I put those, I had acquired so many, I put them somewhere else. And then the bird cage has like decoupage bird papers in there. And then if you come over here, there's nothing inside of that cabinet. And then I pretty much have jewelry making items on the shelf that's mounted to the wall. I think it's jewelry making. Again, I won't go into everything. In this sunflower lunch kit type container, it's anything that's reinforcements. Paper doilies, and these are brooches. And then here is just some collage things like tissue paper, toilet paper. And in this case, is everything that's bird related, like dies or anything that's bird related. And then in that one is anything that's music related. And then I keep the jewelry cleaner handy for when I go to garage sales and I buy like the junk jewelry and things like that. And then inside the toolbox, which I'm not going to go into, it's all jewelry making items. And then there is just a vintage blanket that I found at a garage sale, and it was really literally given to me. I only paid $1 for it, and it has some spots there, but I mean, it's okay. And then I have a toolbox there. And it's usually under my table, but my grandbaby likes to kick at it. You know how it goes if you have the grandchildren that comes in here and does art. And then here, that's up from the toolbox. I have my laminator and then my heat press. And then here on this deal here, it came with that red cart, but I decided to put it on the wall, so I have various tools there. A blender for paper making, coffee making, have my oven, And then in there I keep Velcro, and then in that one I keep pot holders. Going down, I don't remember what you call those press for making paper. Some extra towels, foil, wax paper, and I have a burner. And then you can see the beeswax, the hairspray, and coffee filters, tea bags here. And then the various things that you see in the bags are like measuring cups, spoons, and then I keep a little small thing of washing powder in here so I could keep my rags and things like that cleaned. So you come out from that area, and in fact, before I get to the table that I actually work on, I'm going to show you these carts. So on this first cart, I literally only have like die cut items. I have a few die cuts here that I keep, that I grab for the most. I have my little sidekick here, and then these dies are, most of the ones are like from AliExpress, and it's dies like I grab all of the time. So I just keep them in here loose because some of them didn't come with packaging, and so I just keep them in there very loose, and I can just kind of dig through it and see what I need. It's just basic shape. And then here I have my embossing folders, just some that I grabbed for a mower. Embossing, I can't remember what you call those, but anyway, it's an embosser. And then plates there, and down here I have my big shot. So that's all for that cart. I'm gonna just keep a rag here handy. Do some cleaning. And I usually keep this cart like right here. And then for my other cart, which I also keep in front of the dresser. So on this cart, I just keep my dyes at the top, oil pastels. I have some the Jane Davenport markers, crayons, and Vicky Holden pens. So pretty much anything that's mixed media related, I keep on this cart. So again, so from here this way, I have to work my way up. Of course, my room is very, 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 very small. So I have this table that I had gotten from my husband's mother's friend. It has a lot of workspace on top, and I'm not into the matchy. I mean, if it's something that's functional, you know, I will hang on to it. So in that bag down there, it's just a bag that I grab when I'm have to stay overnight at work, and I keep crafts in there, and I just grab it so I can have something to do at work. And then let's push this in. That's my contraption for filming. And then I have the different types of paper in there for copy dyeing. Well, I'm not gonna name absolutely everything. These were some more paper clips that I was working on. Do a video on that. So in this drawer is scraps. It's laminating sheets and various types of paper. Books that I can tear from. And I have my big kick here, and my remote, one of my printers, and I did a video on that sewing machine. And I'm going to stop here. And then on my next video, I'll do it here because I'm finding that I have trouble uploading videos that are more than 15 minutes long. So far, this is just part of the room. And it's going to be part 1.